Hello everyone, I am Yadvi KK from 8B section B7 batch. I am going to tell you about our project. Our project title is Accident Detection and Rescue System, and my team members are Viresh Vireshatti and Shankramma under the guidance of Chinnavi Gaudar ma'am. Our project contents. So let me tell you what are the contents of a project. So all we have know that project contents are abstract, introduction, literature survey, objectives, problem statement, methodology, block diagram, hardware components, software components, advantages and disadvantages, application, project outcomes, conclusion and reference paper. So let me tell you something about the abstract. We all know that nowadays how the technology has increased, the hazards also increases. Moreover, the accidents are happening. So our project helps you to detect the accident and send some little information about the accident to their family members. So our project includes Arduino based vehicle accident alert system using GPS, GSM and control switch. Control switch detects the sudden change in the axis of vehicle and GSM module send the alert message on our mobile phone. Not on our mobile phone but where the accident has happened, they send the immediate message, present location to the person. The advancing technology has made our day by day life easier. We all know that. Since every coin has two sides, similarly, technology has its benefits and also has its disadvantages. The rise in technology has increased the rate of road accident, which cause huge loss of life. The poor emergency facilities available in our country just add to this problem. This project is going to provide a solution to this problem. So this is the abstract of our project. So let me introduce something, let me give you an introduction about our project. Nowadays accident and traffic congestion as the major problem in the urban areas. So there is no technology for accident detection and also there is a delay in reaching of the ambulance to the accident location. We all know that. And also become very difficult to know that an accident has occurred and to locate the position where it has happened. So the high demand of automobiles has also increased the traffic hazards and the road accident life of the people is under high risk because of the lack of emergency facilities available in our country. An automatic alarm for vehicle accident is introduced in this project. This design is system which can detect accident in significantly less time and sends the basic information to first aid center within a few seconds about accident area. So in our project we use GPS and GSM technology to overcome all the problems. This application provides the optimum solution to poor emergency facilities provided to the roads accident in the most feasible way. The accident can be detected precisely with the help of control switch sensor. After that, message is sent through the GSM module and location of the accident is detected with the help of the GPSM module. So this is the introduction of our project. Now next comes the literature survey. So what is the literature survey? The literature survey helped in understanding models used for accident detection and carried out the project work in primary stage. Nowadays accident occurs in all the places, but major accident occur near school and colleges because of overspeeding of vehicles in that area. So from the past event and the existing approach, the below drawback are being noted. Manual system is adopted. Tracking of accident is a crucial process in this system. Required medical attention cannot be given to the needed person. Life loss and property loss were not stopped in large scale. So to overcome above problems, a automated system is used once the accident occurs. This system gives the latitude and longitude of the system accident occurred without any delay. More human life can be saved using this automated system. This is the literature survey. Next comes the objectives. What are the objectives of our project? This system is based on new technology. In our project, we use a new technology. Its main purpose is to detect an accident and alert to the control room so the victim can find some help. So in our project, this device detects fire accident also by placing fire detector in one of the interrupt pins. So in case if any accident had happened and fire comes out, so this can also be detected. The main objective is to develop and provide the information about the accident occur and location of the accident. So further, after finding the location, it finds the nearest ambulance to the accident spot and sends the personal data of the accident person to its family members or to the contacts, sending the notification to the police station, hospital and predefined contacts from accident location. The main objective of this project is to provide security and medical help to the vehicle user, and it also detects the accident if occurred and informs the respective authority through wireless technologies if any accident occurred. So this is the objective of our project. So further will be continued by my friend Shankramma.